This video lesson is about determining when three lengths form a triangle. The triangle inequality states that the sum of the lengths of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the length of the third side. For example, in this triangle we have a side length of 4, 5, and 7. This is a triangle because any two sides can be added together and it's larger than the other side. For this example, we can add 4 and 5, we get 9, and that's greater than 7. Or we could find the sum of 7 and 4, which is 11, and it's greater than 5. And finally, we could find the sum of 7 and 5 and get 12, which is greater than 4. Now let's look at this example. The side lengths are 4, 2, and 7. Well, you can add 7 and 4 and get 11, which is greater than 2. But when you add 4 and 2, you only get 6, and that is not greater than 7. These two lines, the 4 and the 2, will never connect in order to form a triangle. So they are not long together. When added together, 4 and 2 is not greater than 7, so that will not form a triangle. That is basically the lesson for this video. So let's take a look at some examples using the triangle inequality. Alright, so basically you're just, in this example, you're asked to tell whether a triangle can have sides with these given lengths. 7, 10, and 12. Well, what we need to do is add them together, or pick any two sides and see if it's greater than the third. So when we add 7 plus 10, we get 17. And 17 is greater than 12. So that one checks off. All right, now let's add 10 and 12. If you add 10 plus 12, you get 22. And yes, 22 is greater than the 7. So that one checks off. Now let's do the first one and the last one. If we add 7 plus 12, we get 19. And yes, 19 is greater than what was left, and that's the 10, and that one checks off. So yes, the answer to this one is yes. All right. Let's take a look at this example. Tell whether a triangle can have sides with the given lengths. We have a 3, a 6, and a 10. Let's start off by adding the first two. We have a 3 plus a 6. And 3 plus 6 equals 9. Well, right away, I think you might notice that 9 is actually less than 10. So this one will not work. The answer is no. It is no because these three side lengths cannot form a triangle. Alright, practice problem. Two sides of a triangular tile measure 4 inches and 6 inches. The length of the third side is either 7 inches or 10 inches. Which length is the correct length for the third side? Okay, so let's look at what we have. We have been given of 4 inches and 6 inches, and then the one that we don't know. But our options are 7 inches or 10 inches. Let me write this over here, 7 or 10. So let's remember that we have to be able to add these together, and that would be larger than the one that we are looking for. Alright, so let's go ahead and add the two given. When we add 4 plus 6, it equals 10. So if we add 4 plus 6 and we get 10, we need that to be larger than our final side, and 10 is actually equal to 10. So therefore, that will not work because it's the same side. So 7 is going to be our answer because we can add any 2 now and it's larger than the third. If you add 4 plus 7, you get 11, which is larger than 6. And 7 plus 6, which is 13, it's larger than 4. But again, we couldn't use 10 because 4 plus 6 is 10, and that is not greater than 10. It actually equals 10. So that's a little application of using our understanding of the side lengths of a triangle.